Now, ahead of the next phase of Unlocking India, which could be announced by the end of this week, there are 4 areas that are still contentious, which includes educational institutes, transportation, theatres, and even in some places, the gymnasiums. So far, we're looking at 3 unlocking guidelines by the centre, mentioned clear guidelines for the restaurants, the offices, religious places, but there was no mention of the schools and colleges, large-scale transport like trains and metros, and also theatres. Will these areas find a place in Unlock 4.0 is the big question. And also, how are cities preparing for the next phase of the unlock? Let's find out. Let's first begin by talking about Bengaluru. Remember, which is the important aspect where we are highlighting the educational institutions at this point. Should they reopen or not? And schools and colleges in Bengaluru now claim that they have taken all precautions and they are ready right now to welcome the students. But the parents are in staunch opposition. They say that when the ministers with all precautions are unable to protect their own self, how can children be protected because of COVID-19? Now, the state government, on the other hand, also says that schools can't be locked forever and they should open after October.
How prepared is Karnataka to unlock the schools and the colleges?
In the backdrop of COVID-19, there has been a lot of disruptions. But to ensure the continuity of the academic activity, a lot of measures have been taken. That is not going to suffice the academic activity, what should have been really into the physical classrooms. So it's been very challenging. We are waiting for the right time to unlock the schools and so that the children can go back to their respective schools. It's a matter of time. Probably we need to go back. There's no other way. We need to go back. That is when. Probably now, since the midterm exams are approaching, after the midterm, it's Dasara holidays. Probably it will be appropriate even after the Dasara to start the schools.
This is not possible at all because even I think you are observing all the political parties, leaders are getting the coronavirus because they are not maintaining the social distance. How they can expect kids should be maintain the social distance? It's not possible at all. Whatever sanitizer done, whatever they will take care, if you give the mask or gloves, anything, you cannot hold the kids. So they want to play with their friends, all those things has happened. The cases is going to increase and once again, no proper action should be taken from the government once it will increase. That is not possible at all. So my request is that to the state government, please don't take any decisions like this and open the school and please always listen the parents' opinion.
Now, public transport is also another point of contention, and we're talking about the fact that the metro train services, in fact, across the country are yet to reopen. Now, in Delhi, for instance, metro trains are in fact the city's lifeline and they're usually buzzing with the crowd. Delhi Metro says that they are prepared to reopen but are waiting for a green signal from the government. Even the Delhi government has requested the centre to resume and consider resuming of the metros in the next unlock phase. My colleague Alok brings us this report.
Delhi Metro is one of the most awaited sectors in Unlock 4.0. Definitely the people of the national capital are waiting because they are depending for the daily commute in the Delhi Metro. Around 1.5 million people daily commute and it has also called to be a Delhi's lifeline. Delhi government has also requested the central government to allow them to resume the services of the Delhi. However, the Delhi Metro, which is also called the DMRC, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, they said that they are all set and they are all ready to resume their services. They have all done all preparations. In fact, they said that there will be certain norms that the passengers have to be followed when it starts. That include number of passengers will be less in one bogie. The social distancing norms has to be followed and there will be the sitting arrangement. That is the alternative sitting arrangements. Alternate seats will be provided for the sitting. So these are the precautionary measures that the people will have to follow. They all have to wear the mask yes, definitely. So these are the things that the people have to keep in their mind when they commute in the Delhi Metro. But Delhi Metro still awaits for the nod from the central government.